Introduction to CDMO. In today's fast-paced world of biotechnology, the demand for innovative and efficient manufacturing solutions has never been higher. Contract development and manufacturing organizations, or CDMOs, play a crucial role in bringing life-saving therapies and advanced treatments to market faster. CDMOs help companies streamline their production processes, from development to large-scale manufacturing, ensuring high-quality, cost-effective solutions tailored to specific needs. The role of CDMOs in the biotech industry. Whether it's pharmaceuticals, biologics, or cutting-edge gene therapies, CDMOs provide expertise across a variety of services. From research and development to commercial-scale manufacturing, they ensure that all stages of production meet stringent regulatory standards. With a deep understanding of the latest technologies and manufacturing processes, CDMOs enable companies to focus on what they do best: innovating and discovering new therapies. BOC Sciences CDMO Services Overview. BOC Sciences stands at the forefront of CDMO services, offering an extensive range of solutions to meet the needs of biotech and pharmaceutical companies worldwide. With a proven track record of success, BOC Sciences provides comprehensive services including oligonucleotide CDMO manufacturing, API CDMO manufacturing, peptide CDMO manufacturing, ingredient CDMO manufacturing, and fermentation CDMO services. From oligonucleotides to peptides, we offer specialized manufacturing solutions that ensure high purity and efficiency. Our oligonucleotide CDMO manufacturing capabilities support the growing demand for RNA-based therapeutics, while our API CDMO services offer a wide range of active pharmaceutical ingredients with rigorous quality control. Our peptide CDMO manufacturing services are designed to meet the needs of biotech companies requiring scalable production for peptide-based therapies. Additionally, our ingredient CDMO manufacturing provides flexible solutions for the production of ingredients for a variety of applications, including cosmetics and nutraceuticals. With our fermentation CDMO service, BOC Sciences supports the production of biologics and other fermentation-based products, ensuring high yields and compliance with industry standards. Why choose BOC Sciences? At BOC Sciences, we are committed to providing tailored, flexible, and scalable manufacturing solutions. Our state-of-the-art facilities, experienced team, and focus on quality make us the partner of choice for companies looking to accelerate their production processes. Whether you need custom manufacturing services or reliable production support, BOC Sciences is here to help. Contact us today to learn how our CDMO services can support your next project.